Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So let's start today's session with a small story from Mahabharata that goes like this. Duryodhana's predicament in Mahabharata, in his own words, was, I know what is right, but I am not able to indulge in it. I know what is wrong, but I am not able to avoid it. He needed a fallback. His fallback was his uncle Shakuni, and resultantly, Duryodhana moved from bad to worse. Arjuna also had a predicament, but his predicament was different, and so was his fallback. Arjuna's fallback was Lord Krishna, and we know what happened later. Arjuna was restored to his greatness. We humans, at some point or the other, we also need a fallback, and at that very moment, who is our fallback makes a lot of difference. In KBS online library initiative of ours, we intend to be your fallback. But how? So let's see it now. As you all know, we have launched a virtual library initiative, and this video is specially in order to tell all the students how this virtual library is to work, because we were getting a lot of queries in terms of how exactly this initiative would go about. So basically here, let's start with the first thing here. What exactly is a library? A library is a place that gives you a competitive environment to study. But because of COVID, we know we cannot go to a physical library here. We cannot go to any such room that is full of people. So here comes an alternative, and we are just calling it a virtual library. Other than being virtual, entire features and everything is just the same as of a physical library, which basically means providing you with a competitive environment. So here, all you need to do is to avail a free trial first in order to clear all your doubts. So how to go about the free trials? Just drop a message to the admin, the link of which is provided right there in the description box, and you will be directed to a Telegram group, and through that very group you would be given a Zoom ID. Zoom, I know we all are knowing about it. It's just an application. So download that application into your phone, log in through that very ID and passwords, and you will be given access to a specific session of virtual library. And then onwards, you just need to make sure that your camera is on. It is directed towards your study table and your chair, so that people at the central system can monitor you, can monitor your study schedule. Now, what is study schedule here? It carries a 12-hour time period with breaks, of course, as nobody can study it for 12 hours in one go. So you will be given sufficient breaks, but entire thing would be monitored by the people sitting right there at the centralized system, just so as to have an effective supervision over you, so that you do not end up deviating or wasting too much time over not so needed things. So on in all, study would begin at 9 a.m. that would go right up till 8 p.m. Plus, most important thing is we need just some 20 students only. So the admissions would be on the basis of first come first serve. Quality study hours would be there, because people who are very good at their studies and all, they would be monitoring you. They would be focused on a daily target completion. There would be weekly doubt clearing sessions. Along with this, there would be free subscription to current affairs test series, that 12 in number. So 11 section wise test, current affairs based, and one full length test. And most importantly, fee here is just rupees 500 for 1 month. That gives you an access to virtual library plus the current affairs test, that are total 12 in numbers. This fee is also because we generally believe that the things that are offered for free, we do not value it. So pay 500 and you will be given access to all these initiatives. Just see how it goes. If it turns out to be good, then renew your membership, otherwise don't. So do not waste your time onto unnecessarily getting back on track if you are otherwise into the habit of studying in a physical library, because virtual library option is also there. So with this, that is it. If you have got any further doubt, then just drop a message at the admin, the link of which would be there in the description box. All your doubts would be cleared as early as possible, and that is it.